start as far as the release of the upcoming much-awaited release of Bahubali 2 is concerned. It's been surrounded by a fresh round of controversies, the latest in Karnataka. At least 2,000 Kannada organizations led by activist Vatal Nagaraj. They're geared up to stop the release of the movie in the state of Karnataka. The controversy is about the actor Satya Raja, who's of course one of the main leads in the film. He's played the character of Kattappa, allegedly made derogatory remarks about Karnataka during the Kaveri water issue. The protesting groups here have warned that they will not allow the release of the film Bahubali 2 until Satya Raja tenders in an apology on that remark that he made.
Very quickly, on this story that we're hearing from Karnataka, what would you really like to say about these Kannada organizations? Because you made a film for all of India, all over the world. And when you hear a report from Karnataka that says we don't want the movie screened there because of these comments made by Satyaraj, what do you really say?
Yeah, it is quite sad because we are in no way related to his opinions. The opinion Mr. Satyaraj has made was some 9 years back. And in this 9 years, 30 of his films released in Karnataka. Bahubali Part 1 released, and I believe even now one film is running of Satyaraj is running in Bangalore, yes. See, basically that's a very, very sensitive issue. Kaveri issue is a very, very sensitive issue. And for us, it's a very delicate matter because we don't know whether we should comment on it, whether our comment will further antagonize the issue, or will it calm down? We are in a very delicate issue, a delicate state, and we are no way concerned with this. And showing the anger on Satyaraj on the film is not going to affect Mr. Satyaraj in any way. No, he's not the director, he's not the producer, he's not the hero. He took the remuneration for the film, and he's left. He's done with it. So I don't know how it is going to, the anger on showing the anger on Bahubali is going to solve the issue. So,
you are successful actors. Do you think you were smiling as well when you're hearing this story? Do you think sometimes actors just become soft targets for controversies when people don't really, research or know much about it?
It's obviously it's a medium that's out there in the public. It's you, and that's the fastest thing one can point on. But like Sir said, it is a very sensitive issue, and in no way an actor's I could say something, but that does not have to reflect on Bahubali the film, because that's a personal opinion of a certain person. So I guess that's how it has to be taken and move forward.
ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಕರಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಸಂಘಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಕ್ಕೂಟದ ಮುಖಂಡಗಳ ಸಾರಾ ಗೋವಿಂದರು, ಶಿವರಾಮೇಗೌಡ, ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಗೌಡ, KR ಕುಮಾರ್, ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಯಾದವ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ 2,000 ಕನ್ನಡ ಪರ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ, ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಗೌರವ ಮಾಡಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸತ್ಯರಾಜ್ ಚಿತ್ರ ಹೋಗಕೂಡದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಇವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ.
The sum and substance of what Vatal Nagaraj is saying is that whenever there has been war between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, while all the actors who, as part of the solidarity support, do a silent protest, this man, Kattappa, Satyaraj, has made unsavory, unparliamentary comments against Kannadigas and the leaders of Karnataka. This is what the objection they are raising to. And when there is no water in Karnataka to release to Tamil Nadu, and this is the situation, how can we allow a film wherein the very same person, Kattappa, from Tamil Nadu, he is one of the prominent actor, is participating in this movie, be released in Karnataka. He says that over 2,000 Kannada outfits are together, and they are going to go to any extent to stop the release of this film in Karnataka. Sir.
ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬಾಹುಬಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿರೋಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ವಿರೋಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ 1 ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು, ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ 2 ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 ನಮ್ಗೇನು ವಿರೋಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸತ್ಯರಾಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಚಿತ್ರ, ಅಗೌರವ, ಅನಾಗರಿಕ, ಕೆಟ್ಟ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ದ್ರೋಹಿ, ಅವನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಚಿತ್ರ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆದರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದ್ ಕರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Well, one point which I missed out is that he doesn't have personally anything against Bahubali. Any number of Bahubali series could come, but any movie that has Satyaraj will not be allowed to be screened in Bengaluru or Karnataka. If there is a move by the theatre owners or distributors, he's going to call for Bengaluru Ban. With Vijay Satish, this is Jaiprakash for NewsX from Bengaluru.
It is quite sad because we are in no way related to his opinions. The opinion Mr. Satyaraj has made was some 9 years back, and in this 9 years, 30 of his films released in Karnataka. Bahubali Part 1 released, and I believe even now one film is running of Satyaraj's. Mr. Satyaraj is running in Bangalore, yes. See, basically that's a very, very sensitive issue. Kaveri issue is a very, very sensitive issue, and for us it's a very delicate matter because we don't know whether we should comment on it, whether our comment will further antagonize the issue, or will it calm down. We are in a very delicate issue, a delicate state, and we are no way concerned with this. And showing the anger on Satyaraj on the film is not going to affect Mr. Satyaraj in any way. No, he's not the director, he's not the producer, he's not the hero. He took the remuneration for the film, and he's left, he's done with it. So I don't know how it is going to, the anger on, showing the anger on Bahubali is going to solve the issue. So.
We're going to be getting in further inputs here on this, but you've seen what the entire cast of Bahubali 2 has had to say on this in that conversation that they've had with our entertainment correspondent Uday Pratap Singh. They're clearly saying that this is an old issue. It's a remark that he'd made on the Kaveri water crisis 9 years ago. So is this really belated outrage by the 2000 Kannada groups? Uday getting us further inputs here on this. Uday, is that the sense? That this is outrage that has come in on his remarks far too late. Bahubali 1 had released with this issue not cropping up. His other film is still running as we speak.
You see, Seher, this video, of course, has only now gone viral. Yes, the comments though do date back to 9 to 10 years ago, which is why the film's team is insisting that his remarks should not be related to them in any way. They say he has got his remuneration, he as an actor has done his work and left the sets and gone and espoused his personal opinion. Why should the movie, the movie's business, the movie's production, the movie's screenings be actually affected and clubbed together with this controversy? They do say it is a sensitive matter. We respect the opinions. He did not mean any insult to Kannadigas, but they say that it is his personal opinion, and that it should be left at that. Now the point here being, Seher, that S.S. Rajamouli realizes that this is a mammoth film. It's nearing release. The budget has quadrupled from the first one. It is over 200 to 300 crores. And they need the film to do well. And yes, Karnataka accounts for a lot of screens. Almost 300 to 400 screens are present in Karnataka. The film stars have a significant presence in Karnataka as well. Prabhas and Rana Daggubati are both household names in Karnataka as well, and that's why they're worried that this could possibly adversely impact the film. They also say that this entire controversy, the storming of halls, the stoppage of screening will not affect Katappas, will not affect Satyaraj, but it will affect them, and that's why, of course, they made this fervent appeal. Now, will that arise with Vatal Nagaraj and the other protesters? That, of course, remains the big question, because they are insisting that they will stick to their plans of stopping the screening of this film. They also said that when Bahubali 1 re-released, they also appealed to theatre owners not to screen the movie. Some responded positively, some didn't, but they say whatever said and done, they will try and stop the 28th release of Bahubali 2.
Okay, so they're all together this time around. They're, of course, close to 2,000 Kannada groups who've decided to come together in deciding to not allow the release of the film Bahubali 2. Of course, we're well aware of the losses, the nature of losses this would incur for the filmmakers here or there. But have they put aside a certain set of demands that there could be a dialogue with the filmmaker and the activists here?
Well, right now, of course, they've said absolutely nothing of the sort. In fact, Satyaraj was not even present in that interview session where I actually met with the entire team of the film.
Okay.
He has not been attending the promotional events, and that's why, of course, the films unit says that is his personal remark. Deal with him separately. Why bring in our film as well into the whole controversy, thereby hinting, that possibly this is being done for publicity because they want to target a big budget film called Bahubali 2. They may not want to target a small regional film with which they will not get the same kind of attention in the media, that they would get by targeting Bahubali 2, given the numbers, given the kind of, fanfare that is
Right.
involved with this mega project.
Absolutely. The allegations, of course, being targeting Bahubali 2 because that would give the activists maximum eyeballs as well. Remember, Bahubali 2 slated for a release end of April. There's still some time, perhaps, that the two groups could work this out. Stay on with us, Uday. Once again, a listen into that response that you got us from the cast and team of Bahubali 2.
Very quickly, on this story that we're hearing from Karnataka, what would you really like to say about these Kannada organizations? Because you made a film for all of India, all over the world, and when you hear a report from Karnataka that says we don't want the movie screened there because of these comments made by Satyaraj, what do you really think?
Yeah, it is quite sad because we are in no way related to his opinions. The opinion Mr. Satyaraj has made was some 9 years back, and in this 9 years, 30 of his films released in Karnataka. Bahubali Part 1 released, and I believe even now one film is running of Satyaraj is running in Bangalore, yes. See, basically that's a very, very sensitive issue. Kaveri issue is a very, very sensitive issue, and for us it's a very delicate matter because we don't know whether we should comment on it, whether our comment will further antagonize the issue, or will it calm down. We are in a very delicate issue, a delicate state, and we are no way concerned with this. And showing the anger on Satyaraj on the film is not going to affect Mr. Satyaraj in any way. No, he's not the director, he's not the producer, he's not the hero. He took the remuneration for the film, and he's left. He's done with it. So I don't know how it is going to, the anger on showing the anger on Bahubali is going to solve the issue. So,
you are successful actors. Do you think you were smiling as well when you were hearing the story? Do you think sometimes actors just become soft targets for controversies when people don't really, research or know much about it?
See, it's obviously it's a medium that's out there in the public. It's you, and that's the fastest thing one can point on. But like Sir said, it is a very sensitive issue, and in no way an actor's I could say something, but that does not have to reflect on Bahubali the film, because that's a personal opinion of a certain person. So I guess that's how it has to be taken and move forward.
Well, that's of course the response that is coming from the entire cast, including the filmmaker. They're extremely aware of the delicate situation, saying that it is a sensitive matter, would not want to respond directly or what his remarks were. More importantly, these were remarks that he'd made on the Kaveri crisis 9 years ago. How does it find relevance today in being circulated and that remark having gone viral? Remember, it is still a remark that is largely being seen by close to 2,000 Kannada groups, a remark that is being seen as insensitive. A very quick reminder to our viewers, this is now a call-in segment. The question that we're asking, that is really a battle for Bahubali, for the release of the film Bahubali 2. Is it a fair demand being put by the Kannada group? Did he make those remarks which should be read as insensitive? And would it hurt the actor or hurt the filmmakers more if the film is not allowed to be released across Karnataka? Or that's something that you put forth to the cast, to the filmmaker, the director there as well, that he's a major player in the film, but he's an actor in the film at the end of the day. He's played his part, he's taken in his remuneration. The biggest loss, of course, would be to the film, to the filmmaker, not to the actor who they're trying to really target in these protests.
Absolutely, Seher, and the fact is that these actors enjoy huge popularity in Karnataka, and that's why they do realize that this can adversely impact the film's business. It can impact brand Bahubali at the end of the day. Now, I've got some reactions coming into this story. Obviously, this story has a huge traction online as well. You can see the Prabhas Fans Association of Karnataka has actually released a statement on this controversy as well. It's in Kannada over here, but basically it means, dear Kannadigas, do protest against Satyaraj Katappa and not against the film Bahubali 2. We are with Prabhas, say yes to Bahubali 2. So they are appealing to these protesters to protest against Katappa, the individual, and not the entire film. Look, another fan over here has tweeted, Mr. Satyaraj, please apologize for the comments you have stated. Entire people in Karnataka will miss this magnum opus movie. So they realize that the threat is imminent, the threat is real, and they don't want to miss it. These are fans from Karnataka speaking. What has Mr. Satyaraj said? We are so angry and not releasing here. So fans, of course, are extremely upset. They do realize, Zahir, at the end of the day, that this movie could possibly not release. There could be violence at certain theatres. There could be the blocking of screenings as well. And that's why, of course, they have swung into action. They are tweeting out their support to the filmmakers. And here's another one. Here's another comment coming in. Satyaraj has used unnecessary words on Karnataka for Kaveri issue. That is the result of the ban. Nothing else. People are expecting apology for him. So this is, of course, something that people are demanding from Mr. Satyaraj. This, of course, is a photograph of Satyaraj. And the controversy, of course, as I said, continues.
Please stay on with us, Uday. We need to get in a word here from CBFC member in Karnataka, Mr. Nagabhala. Appreciate you being with us. Help us understand on what this means for the fate of the film Bahubali 2 for its release in Karnataka.
No, as it is, as the Kannada people and the Kannada Sanghas, which are already said their remarks on that, and as a film, it could have been released. But as a controversial film, I think there has to be some say from those who are involved in it, right?
Okay, but do you feel that the entire film would need to be targeted by these Kannada groups there? They're of course only wanting to target a particular actor, but the entire...
Who else has to be targeted? Who else has to be targeted? Is there any other particular thing? Unless and otherwise, this kind of targeting is done, they will not react. They are not bothered. No one is bothered. Now everyone is bothered.
So you're in absolute, you are effectively being a CBFC member there in Karnataka, but you are in absolute support of this protest, saying rightfully so.
Absolutely, absolutely. When they hurt the sentiments of the people, they must answer to that. You don't separate the cinema and people separately, because.
But Mr. Nagabhala, one would also keep in mind, not wanting to sound insensitive on this issue, but one must also remember that this is a remark that was made 9 years ago. How would it come back and find relevance close to a decade later?
I think you must be reminded of so many things which was reminded after a lapse of so many years.
Okay.
It is not that just today it is said, and because of that today it is taking place. Everything will get remembered according to the time and fact of it.
Should there be a set of demands here by the groups who've been protesting, including you as well, in the capacity of a CBFC member there in Karnataka?
No, I'm not talking about a CBFC member. I'm not just as a CBFC member.
Okay.
Basically, I am first a Kannadiga, a Kannada filmmaker, and a Kannada language-loving person.
Okay.
I am CPFC only after that.
All right.
As a filmmaker, I do accept this. Because as a filmmaker, there is a lot of things which has to be socially responsible.
Okay.
Whether it is today, yesterday, or tomorrow.
All right. So, but as a filmmaker, you would not be willing to look at the kind of losses the filmmakers of Bahubali 2 would incur as well with this protest?
Do you mean to say it is a loss? Then they must react immediately. If it is a loss, they must react immediately.
It would be a concern for the filmmaker. As a filmmaker yourself, would you be able to understand the concerns of the filmmaker of Bahubali 2?
No, it is always like that. Whenever there is some problem, it is the concern of the money and money only. It is the concerns of the human emotions also.
Okay.
So it depends upon how you value it.
Right, but what are you asking for then? What are you asking for,
value the
Mr.
human part of it?
Nagabarna? Absolutely. Value the emotions more than the losses that could be incurred by the filmmaker. We got your point. We got your stand on that very clearly, sir. But would you be willing to accept an apology? If an apology comes in by the actor Satya Raja on this, would that be fine?
I think that is what they are asking for. That is what they are asking for. I think it is a matter of, it is not an ego.
There has been no demand,
because he loves
Mr.
the cinema. He can also come out saying that.
But
If
there
you want
has
to
been
do-
no demand so far. All that they're asking, the protesting groups so far, is to have a blanket ban on the release of the film across the state of Karnataka. There are no demands. Could there be a dialogue between the filmmaker and the protesting groups here?
I think there is a demand. Earlier, they were asking for him to ask for an excuse or something like that, and it was ignored totally. I think so. I think it is so.
Okay, so you feel that an apology, even if it comes in much belated, close to a decade later after that remark was made by the actor, an apology by the actor would be accepted well in time, perhaps allowing the film to be released in Karnataka? Do I understand you right on
I
that?
hope so. I hope so, because always Kannadigas are very generous. After they have left all the 9 years just to go like that. They could have banned him long back.
Appreciate you speaking with us. Mr. Nagabarna there, of course, he's a member of the CBFC there in Karnataka, but very clearly specifying he's spoken as a hurt Kannadiga first in supporting this demand for an absolute ban of the release of the film Bahubali 2 across Karnataka because of actor Satya Raja's insensitive statements. Let's get in another voice. A quick reminder to our viewers, this is the live call-in segment. What do you feel about this demand? We have with us Mr. Suman C. Raman with us on the phone line as well. Thanks for being with us, Suman. Would you be in agreement with this demand by the 2,000 protesting Kannadiga groups?
No. I think, see, this is all, mostly before, it's now become a trend in South India. It's a trend in Tamil Nadu, certainly. Now it is probably in Karnataka also. That before every big film, they will try to find some reason to get outraged and threaten. All these are done by fringe groups. It happens regularly in Tamil Nadu now, and it's becoming a huge menace for the film industry. But to say that you are outraged by something which a man spoke 9 years ago, why didn't you stop Bahubali 1? I mean, how ridiculous is this? I mean, you went outraged for 9 years, and now suddenly on the eve of the release of the film, you tend to become outraged. I mean, these are basically extortion attempts by fringe elements in different states. And I think that it's high time, for instance, in this case, the three major parties of Karnataka should put their foot down and say that this film has been cleared by the censors and there was no outrage for 9 years, and they should go ahead with the release of the film. And if they don't, I think it is just giving in to these kind of fringe elements. We see it all the time in Tamil Nadu happening, and now it has gone to Karnataka as well.
Right, but is there a line that could divide that? As far as Kannada pride there is concerned, we just spoke to Mr. Nagabarna in the capacity of, he's a CBFC member there in Karnataka, but he's spoken to us as someone who is supporting this ban, saying that
why
Kannada...
were they not outraged for 9 years, madam? Why were they not outraged for 9 years? Why did they allow the release of Bahubali 1? I mean, this whole thing makes no sense. They didn't find the need to get outraged until the eve of the release of this film. I mean, how absurd can that be? I mean,
Okay, so it is this belated
intimidation,
outrage,
threat,
a belated outrage
intimidation
that
and
is being questioned. That's right. No intimidation or threat should be used here. Please stay on with us. A live call-in segment. Our caller on this, Pranabja Rao from Bengaluru. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. I am a Kannadiga living in Bangalore, and I believe the current protest, as long as it is a civilized protest and a demand for apology from the actor in question, I think it is okay. It is justified. But if the protest turns against Tamils in particular,
Okay.
I would have
But you don't feel that this is a belated response to a remark that he made 9 years ago?
It is belated, yes. I definitely agree this is belated because the alleged statement was made 9 years ago, and a lot of time has passed since the statement was made, and I think many Satya Raj movies, including Bahubali itself and several Tamil movies would have released in Bangalore. I'm not too much of a Tamil movie watcher, But I think the protest, anytime it comes 9 years later or 90 years later, is justified because it is the question of pride one has, right? Because all Kannadigas feel insulted. Some of us would be hearing it now. For example, I myself did not hear it 9 years ago, and I'm hearing it now. And if the statements are true, it definitely hurts. So I think the protest now is justified.
Appreciate you speaking to us. Also, Mr. C. Rajashekharan with us on the phone line. Thanks for being with us, Mr. Rajashekharan. Would you be in agreement with this demand that has been put forth by close to 2,000 Kannada groups? Is my voice going through, please, Mr. Rajashekharan? Okay, we'll reconnect with him on that in just a bit. Our correspondent Jay Prakash has been getting us further details here as well. We'll be getting in those inputs there from our entire team. Remember, this is a demand that is being put by Vatal Nagaraj along with 2,000 Kannada groups there in justifying in that ban, the blanket ban on the release of Bahubali 2 that they've been asking for across the state of Karnataka, based on what they say of their sentiments, emotions being heard by a remark that was made by the cast, the actor who stars in the film, the actor Satyaraj, on the Kaveri crisis. This was a remark that he'd made 9 years ago. We're not going to go into details of that remark, but there is absolute outrage now in that remark that he made close to a decade ago, and they want the film to not be released across Karnataka. Jay Prakash, our correspondent, getting us further inputs here on this. Jay Prakash, we'll be looking at a possibility of a dialogue that could take place between the filmmaker here and these protesting groups. Still a few weeks to go, with the film slated for an April end release.
Well, sir, that remains to be seen if it ever happens, because the Kannada outfits have put out their view. It is very important to put the story in perspective. Now, this outrage is because of a video that has gone viral. In fact, this is about a speech, a hate speech made by Satyaraj, the man in question here, Kattappa, of the Bahubali film. This happened around a decade ago, when there was a protest in Chennai against Hogenikal Falls. There's a dam that was supposed to be coming up proposed by the Tamil Nadu government. In that podium, he made derogatory statements against Kannadigas, and particularly against this man Vatal Nagaraj, who heads one of the Kannada outfits here. Now, it's imperative to say that Bahubali 1 was released. At that time, nobody had seen this video. About 2 weeks ago, a local a regional channel, Kannada channel, had put out this video, and that is where it started. And now that the video has gone viral, everybody has seen the video. And this being the case, the outfits are outraged because Kannadigas are attacked. There is attack.
All right, Jay Prakash, many thanks for getting us those inputs. Our correspondent Uday Pratap Singh there on that as well. Filmmakers will be trying their best, of course, to get in that release across Karnataka on the slated date. Many thanks for our viewers to call in on that as well.